Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to change and put batteries into your Logitech Harmony 665. So take your remote and flip it. Right here you have a lid that you need to take off and a plastic. Now take two of the batteries. And first, as you can see on this plastic, it's minus, plus, plus, minus. So the first battery goes like this, and the second battery goes like this. Now we can close the lid, and the remote works perfectly. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.